It is not a difficult a question. It's a question to put together different kind of interests, and these interests are coming from different sections, different parts of the society, and then we could find here in this forum, in this arena, in the strict sense of the word, different actors, and that means scientists, that means local government, local population, the agencies of cooperation, the national governments, the cooperation in general. And I think the only thing important here is to put in contact that we all together have in contact. That is the sustainable development of drylands. Drylands are very sensitive. I don't want to say that they are fragile. They are sensitive systems with a lot of potentialities, with a lot of possibilities to go in. If you have an impact, a negative impact, you go in the direction of the certification. But that's what, that's land degradation, and you destroy the system. But if you have a positive impact, that's what we want to do. You have immediately a reaction, a positive reaction on the population, on the system, on the vegetation. For instance, if you think on wetlands in drylands, wetlands are very important systems to regulate all the life and the water in drylands. But wetlands could be dry during many years. You see there are only sand or nothing. But with a small impulse of water, they reborn, and you have in some minutes, some years, some weeks, the life in all the splendor of life, and local populations recovering and going with this recovered ecosystem. In Argentina, we have the first problem is that we have not realized that we live in an arid country, in a dry country. There is a general image worldwide that Argentina is the country of the pampas, the cows and the vineyards and so on. And 75% of our territory are drylands, 75%. And there live the 30% of the population. And we produce nearly the 50% of our production. And then that's our worst problem, to generate conscience that we live in an arid country. And of course, the problem is urbanization, accelerated, not planified, and the growing of the agricultural frontier, with with monocultures, for instance, overgrazed and so on. But I think those are most the great problem we have.